Made it, day 31. Getting the switch blunt trifle about today. Pretty psyched. Got my friend here, Alex from California. Also, got my childhood friend, Nick Sassa out. Been skating with him since, let's see, I don't even know, like 15 years old. Finally got him out, should be fun. Yes. You don't understand, I've been trying to get him out for like, since I started YouTube, trying to get him out skating with me. Alright, well, while these guys are warming up, I'm just gonna start trying the switch blunt because I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's pretty cloudy and windy. Hoping it don't rain. Should be alright, but should probably get to it. I did not mean to stick that one. Free money! Ow. Alright, so I didn't really realize how difficult it would be to do the switch blunt, switch tray. Because I kind of, made that commitment to myself to land it on the 31st day. And didn't really think about it, but all the other days I could do another trick if I wasn't feeling it or this or that. Didn't really take that into account though. For the last day, like having to get this trick. That kind of changed the whole day. It just became so much more difficult. Like the trick is hard enough as it is, but just the fact that I couldn't do anything else. Just going at it, not really feeling like I'm getting close. Every 5 minutes, I would say. Wind kept knocking over my phone. It's probably like 20, 25 mile an hour winds. Also, my tripod, if you ever seen the Gorilla Pod, it's like these little bubbles that kind of bend, like a bendy tripod. And they get weak over time. So I guess just with the wind and using it so much, just like couldn't hold its position. So trying a trick that's so hard, just having to deal with that every like 5 minutes, running around, running over to the camera, those things could really get in your head, little things when you're so intense could get in your head. Yeah, so I tried for, I don't know, hour, 2 hours, I think it was, just solid, straight. Wasn't really getting that close. Occasionally I'd flip them here and there, but it just didn't feel like I had it. At this point, I was pretty sure I wasn't going to get a trick today, because I couldn't just do another trick. I kind of made the commitment to myself and I wanted to stick to it. But it was just so discouraging, like 2 hours, not really getting close. Body's killing me, sun's going down, battery's dying, tripod's not standing up. It was just, after the whole month and then all those things, Took a break for like 15 minutes a couple of times, just to try to clear my head. I realized I was so focused on getting this trick, I didn't even walk over, come talk to you guys, tell you what was going on. I was just trying the trick non-stop for, I don't know, 2 hours solid. Then my phone died. Luckily, my friend Sal Santiago showed up. He started filming. He kind of just brought the hype too, and it kind of got me back into trying it again. So, got back on the ramp, tried for another, I don't know, must have been another hour. Just kept trying. My friend Joe was trying a trick that was psyching me up. And then I started to realize I had to put my foot way lower. And once I started doing that, I was flipping it more consistently. And then I felt this state of almost relaxation, like it didn't just seem like a blind huck anymore. It seemed like, oh, alright, now I just have to get one. You know what I mean? Just setting my foot in the right spot really changed the whole way the trick felt. I think Sal's phone at this point was on like 5-10% battery. It's getting low. Kept trying, I think, for another maybe 20 minutes. Just my feet, everything, just after this whole month, just throbbing. Just kept pushing through. There were a lot of moments where I pretty much gave up. I was just, alright, I got it. Yeah, somehow ended up pulling one just barely, the skin of my teeth. Yeah, dude! Yes, dude! But yeah, with the last drop of energy, somehow squeaked one by, just barely. And I think that land kind of just sums up the whole challenge, you know? Just like barely hanging on, kind of. I don't know, I thought it was a funny roll away. One, done. Just wanted to say thanks to everyone, every single person subscribed, liked, commented. Even there was one guy that said he disliked for the fact that he couldn't stand looking at that it was all likes. So even shout out to that guy. It's been cool. So I got to know you guys a lot more. Like before this challenge, it's kind of like I was just uploading videos to YouTube, occasionally interacting. But every day really, I don't know, you could feel like I'm getting to know you guys. So it's been really cool. Learned a lot about myself. And I'm excited for the future. I haven't had 1 second to even think what I'm going to do tomorrow. Kind of want to keep something going. I don't know. It's been swamped, so yeah, we'll see. But thank you guys again, and that's it. It's weird, I don't have an outro now. I was gonna say I'll see you guys tomorrow. Should see you guys tomorrow, we'll see. Alright, thanks for watching.